You want healthy and glowing skin? Are you looking for something to minimize the signs of aging while also supporting your health? Then I have an amazing solution for you, all natural anti-aging beauty tools. One of my favorite anti-aging tools is called a Gua Sha. It's an ancient Chinese natural therapy that's over 2,000 years old. It helps to improve lymph drainage, resulting in a brighter, clearer complexion, while also improving circulation to help clear out waste products like blackheads and pimples, and also decreasing puffiness. With regular Gua Sha use, it will help to encourage glowing skin, younger looking skin, plump skin, reduced appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to encourage more collagen and elastin in the skin for a firmer, youthful, healthy look. So to use the Gua Sha, it's really simple. You start on the back of the neck, you work your way to the front. You're always looking to support your lymphatic system, which helps to detox your body and support your health and beauty at the same time. Then you're just slowly holding your skin tautly and moving it up your face in very slow motions and massaging into the hairline. You'll want to repeat each motion 5 times. Then you go and you take the tool and you're slowly pulling it up your skin and massaging it into the hairline again. You always want to start with really moisturized skin so there's no pulling or tugging to cause any signs of aging. Then you just simply work your way up your face, keeping this tool flat against your skin at all times. I really like the jawline because it really is great if you hold any tension in your jawline from like stress. It really helps to alleviate that. And then under the eye is a great way if getting fine lines or wrinkles. You simply just hold it under your eye, very feather-light pressure, and you move it upwards. And you can see I'm moving my skin upwards, so it really helps to uplift your face. And then one of my favorite parts is after you do your eyebrows, you simply just pull your skin upwards like this. You do that 5 times, of course. But this one is really great, is when you're pulling your eyebrow upwards, you're literally giving yourself a natural eye lift. And you're just pulling that upwards, and then you go to the middle of your face and you help to smooth out any fine lines and wrinkles on your forehead. Then you repeat it on the other side of the face. And then at the end, I always suggest that you work your way downwards on the neck to support your lymphatic system, and make sure to drink water because it's interacting with your lymphatic system. It's helping to detox your body. So going to encourage better health and glowing skin. Next, we have our jade roller, which is a little bit stepped down from the Gua Sha. It's a little bit easier to use on your natural beauty routine every day. And you can stick this in the refrigerator and it gets cold, and it is amazing for depuffing your face, especially under the eyes when it's really cold. I like to just roll it under there and it brightens up my eyes every single morning. So if you're looking for something for like a natural facelift without any cosmetic procedures that supports your health, these are really, really great ways to encourage your beauty naturally.